you. Okay, so you can see my origami table. Let me get some origami paper. So I would like to start by acknowledging that I live in Randwick City Council, and Randwick City Council is on the land of the Gadigal and the Bidjigal people. And so I would like to pay my respects to their elders past, present, and emerging. Okay, rectangle piece of paper for a boat. Fold it in half so you get a nice, long, thin rectangle. Beautiful. Now, origami is super important. See how these edges aren't matched up? You want to match those edges up. Make it nice and precise. That's what I mean by precise. You want to match those edges up. Beautiful. Fold that down. That's why origami sometimes takes a long time to practice. People spend ages learning how to match those edges up. All right. We've got a portrait for a super long, skinny man or woman or person or alien or maybe Snorlax in another Pokemon universe. Okay, long, thin rectangle. Give it a kiss. Undo it. Now fold it the other way in half. Beautiful. And remember, make those corners really exact, really precise. Make sure they match up. Nice, like that. And we've got that nice guiding line in the middle. I don't know if you can see that, it's right there. Oh yeah, I've got that nice angle there. Very, very nice. Okay, and so we're going to have the folded edge towards your chest, okay? And the edge that opens up like a card facing away from you. Grab the folded corner and bring it down to the middle halfway line so that you've got a triangle on your page. 1, 2, 3, a triangle. And you're going to do the same to the other side. So now, your piece of paper should look like a tent. I got a pink tent. A pink tent in the Hawaiian. All right. Beautiful. So, we've got our tent, and we want to get inside our tent. So we can open it up like this. But what we're going to do is, we're sick of camping, so we're going to flip just one side of the bottom up. Beautiful. Okay, so it now looks like this. So I'm going to repeat that again. What we've done is we had our tent like this. Okay, and we're going to take one side of the bottom. Let me show you from the side. One side of the bottom. Yeah. And we're going to flip it up. Fold it up. Nice. I'll show you from here as well. We're going to fold it up. Beautiful. And then you're going to flip the whole tent over like a pancake and do the same on the other side. And now when you pick it up, you've turned your tent into a very cute hat. Isn't that cute? You could go to a fashion parade. Okay, now, once you've got your hat, I want you to check that you can open it. If you can't open it, then what you've probably done is folded the wrong side of the corners down. You've probably folded the card opening sides down. So you can skip back in the video. All right? Okay. So we've got our hat. We're going to open our hat and pretend we're putting it on someone with a very, very big head. So open it really wide. Oh, you have such a big head. Oh, I don't think it's going to fit. Oh, no, your head's too big. And the hat is, it's flattening. Okay, so flatten it down because this person has such a big head. Flatten it down. Yep, just like this. And now it's got two little flaps on either side that are sticking up. What you're going to do is, see these little flaps? You're going to push one underneath the other, tuck them in, just like that. So then it lies flat, okay? And flip it over and do the same on the other side. Push it under, so it lies flat. And it looks like that. So you have one flap from your hat tucked under the other. So I'm going to show you that one more time. Let me unfold that. So you had your hat just like this. You finished your fashion parade and you wanted to try it on your friend, but your friend has a really big head. So you're going to try it on. Oh, you have such a big head. Oh, no, it's flattening the other way. Whoops. Flatten it like a pancake. But these two bits, yeah, they're fighting against each other. It's okay. Just tuck one under the other. It's okay. It's all right. Give it a little pat. Tuck one under the other. And the same on this side. Tuck one under. Just tuck it under there. Just give it a little push. Push it under. There we go. Just so it's nice and flat. Beautiful. So now we have our diamond looking just like this. I want you to have the bits that we tucked under facing towards your chest when we have our diamond flat on the table. Okay? I want you to pick up one side of the diamond, one side of the flap, and fold it towards the top of the diamond. Just like that. So that's the part that we tucked underneath, and we're going to fold it up, and you're going to turn it over and do the same to the other side, because origami is all about symmetry. If you learn one thing from this class, it's that origami is about symmetry. Symmetry, symmetry, symmetry. Okay, symmetry, symmetry, symmetry. Okay, so we have a little triangle. Another hat, because look, it opens. Maybe it's a beak. Okay, got a little hat. Don't get carried away. We're going to open it again, like we did before. Open it all the way and flatten it down. Another diamond. Okay, well done. You should have a diamond. If you don't have a diamond, I'm going to go back a few steps just to show you what I did. So, we had our first diamond with our little flaps, okay? We're going to grab one side of the flap and fold it up, and then do the same to the other side. Nice work. And then we're going to open the hat and fold it in the opposite direction. So now we have another diamond. Beautiful. And now what we're going to do, we have our final diamond form, and at the top of the diamond, you should be able to grab the outer shell. And it's kind of like we're cracking an egg almost. So we're going to grab the outer shell, and if you pull gently, these two side pieces should come apart quite easily. And there should be like a little point in the middle. It kind of looks like there's this Japanese folk tale called Momotaro, and it's like this king that comes out of a peach. Mine kind of looks like that right now. Okay, so you pull those and keep pulling until you get, flatten it down, a boat. Look, push it out a little bit, and then there's your boat. I've got a pink boat that's gonna sail me to Hawaii. Aloha. Wow, beautiful. You have made yourself a boat. So now what you need to do is you need to name your boat and decorate it and take a photo of it and comment it down below so I can see. And I would love to see all the photos of our boats so we can create a fleet of boats, because a word for a big group of boats is a fleet. I'm going to name my boat the SS Lilo, because I love Lilo and Stitch. Okay, thank you so much everybody for joining me. I'm Jessica from Randwick City Library, and hopefully I get to see you soon. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye! We're going to Hawaii on a boat.